Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, good morning, ladies. Welcome to the counseling with me with the theme How to Live Healthy in the Pandemic Era. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Henny Fitraningsih. I'm a nursing student. I'm here to provide information to all ladies about how to live healthy in the era of pandemic. In this counseling, I need about 15 minutes, so please cooperate and enjoy in this counseling. Okay, let's get started. For the first is definition of COVID-19. Coronavirus disease. COVID-19 is an infectious disease caused by recently discovered coronavirus. COVID-19 is now a pandemic that is happening in many countries around the world. Okay, next, cause of COVID-19. COVID-19 infection is caused by coronavirus with a group virus that infect the respiratory system. Coronavirus can cause mild disorder of the respiratory system, severe lungs infection, and even death. Okay, next, how to transmit the COVID-19 virus. Coronavirus can infect anyone, but the effect will be more dangerous or even fatal if it occurs in elderly people, pregnant women, people who have certain disease, smokers, or people whose immune system are weak, for example, in cancer patients. So the way the COVID-19 virus is transmitted is one, accidentally inhaled the droplet of saliva that come out when a person with COVID-19 cough or sneezes. Holding your mouth or nose without washing your hand first after touching an object that has been splashed by the saliva of COVID-19 sufferer. And the last, close contact with the COVID-19 sufferers. Therefore, must be careful in every situation. Benefit of having a healthy lifestyle in the era of the pandemic COVID-19. Having healthy lifestyle will have a fit body. With a healthy lifestyle will create a longer life expectancy. Another benefit that we get is to increase the body immune system. The body immune system can prevent this disease from entering our body, including the COVID-19 virus. That a healthy lifestyle can also make our body more enthusiastic so that the body will continue to be active in various activities. The last and the main point are counseling is tips for staying healthy during the COVID-19 pandemic. The first, consumption of healthy food to increase body immune. This is important because nutrients such as vitamin contained in vegetable and fruit can make the body strong so that it's not susceptible to disease. The second, quit smoking. Smoking increases the risk of infection and will exacerbate complications from the COVID-19. And the third, if working at home every 30 minutes of sitting, take a break to avoid fatigue. And the first, mutual strengthening among family, neighbor, and friends. This love can be medicine because it can reduce the stress experience and we calm down. The fifth, worship, read book, listen to music. They can reduce anxiety. And the sixth is positive thinking. Positive thinking can make the heart become peaceful and can beat various disease, including when under stress. By changing the way of thinking to be positive, then mental health will be better. The seventh, actively move and exercise regularly. Staying at home doesn't mean you can be lazy. Instead, you should more than activity, move and more. To keep the body fit and healthy, for example, by doing yoga, cycling, or just walking around the house for 15 minutes every day. The eighth is maintain hygiene. Even if you are in the house for a long time, you still have to priority personal hygiene and surrounding environment. Make sure to wash your hands with soap and running water for at last 20 seconds at regular interval, such as before and after eating, after using the toilet, after activity, and if your hands are dirty. The last one, improve Sleep time. This is to implement a healthy lifestyle. Most people have insufficient sleep for several reasons. Even though our body certainly needs adequate rest so that the body returns to being fresh and can carry out activities properly. People who do not have enough sleep have the potential to get deadly disease such as cancer and heart disease. Okay, ladies. Thank you. Do you have any question, ladies? Any question?
Excuse me, Miss.
Okay, Miss Desja, you can ask.
Yes, Miss. Excuse me, Miss.
Yes.
I have permission to ask in this pandemic era, it is recommended to do social distancing. What if we don't practice social distancing and what is the right way to deal with it? Thank you.
Okay, thanks for the great question, Miss. We associations must always comply with existing health protocol to prevent the spread of the COVID-19 virus, Miss. So we must always keep the distance from other people according to the distance that has been determined for everyone's safety. Therefore, strive to always comply with these rules. My advice, if we can avoid the crowd, at least we use personal protection one. Example is using the mask. Okay. Thank you for the question, Ms. Desja. The next, do you have any question?
Hi, Miss.
Okay, Ms. Ninis, you can ask.
Excuse me, Miss. I have permission to ask. What is the relationship between smoking and COVID-19? Thanks, Miss.
Okay, thank you, Ms. Ninis, for the great question. One of the group are the vulnerable to the COVID-19 are smokers, because like when you smoke, your hand will come into contact with your lips more often. As previously explained, the transfer of the virus can be through hand that touch your mouth, and exposure to smoke from the cigarette can weaken the respiratory tract and reduce the ability of the body immune system to fight viruses, including the coronavirus. This makes smokers more susceptible to infection. Okay, Miss Ninis, ladies, do you have any question more?
Yes, Miss. Thank you, Miss.
Thank you, Miss Ninis.
You're welcome.
Any question?
Excuse me, Miss.
Yes, Miss Vira.
I have permission to ask. Is unconditionally sunbathing in the sun also necessary in this pandemic era? And what does this have to do with the COVID-19 pandemic?
Okay, thanks for the great question, Miss. Because during this pandemic, a strong immune system is needed. And how to maintain good immune system? Maintain mental health and supplementing nutrition is needed. There are several nutrients that must be fulfilled, namely carbohydrate, protein, fats, and vitamin. Vitamin D is one of vitamin that play a role maintain immune system. And the main source of vitamin D is sunlight. Therefore, in pandemic, occasionally basking in the sun is also needed to increase our immune system. Thank you, ladies, for your participation in counseling. I hope what I say can be useful for all ladies. If any of my words are wrong, I apologize. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
wabarakatuh.
Thank you.
Thank you, Miss.
Thank you.